guys, thank you for watching this video and welcome to or back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share about essential oils which I love and use basically on a daily basis, and I thought it would be fun to share with you in what ways I use them. If you don't know what essential oils are, an essential oil is basically a concentrated aromatic extract derived from plants. It can be derived in many different ways, but I think the most popular one is steam distillation. And throughout the years, it has been used for its therapeutic properties and also for its antimicrobial properties, its pleasant scent, of course, and also its calming and relaxing effects, especially, for example, the lavender. I love to use this one in the evening, having trouble sleeping, or I just want to be a little bit more relaxed. I use it as aromatherapy. One of the main ways that I use essential oils is actually aromatherapy, and the easiest way I find is by making a little cup that you can put over your nose and your mouth. Put a few drops in the palm of your hand, then you rub it together between your hands and you make a cup and you bring it closer to your face, and then you inhale and exhale deeply for a few times. I always try to be a little bit careful with this method because if you get your hands covered over your nose and your mouth quickly and it's still very strong, the scent, it can get your eyes a little bit watery, so I always just start from a little bit of a distance and then I bring it closer. Another way that you can do aromatherapy is by using a diffuser. There are many different types of diffusers. You can buy them at a lot of natural health stores or online, and even some organic supermarkets or just beauty stores. You just put a little bit of water with a few drops of your favorite essential oils in, and then when you turn it on, it has the steam distillation that goes throughout your room and gives it a pleasant scent. And yeah, it can also still affect your mood, but in a milder way, I find. And I also just really like to do that to refresh the air in my room or the space that I'm using it in. Another way to use aromatherapy is by steaming. I use this for my face, sometimes just randomly when I want to clear my skin and just have a nice relaxing steam bath for my face. It feels like a mini spa treatment. But you can also do it, for example, if you have the flu or after you were sick, to clear your sinuses. And the way you do that is by taking a bucket and filling it with hot water and just choose a few different essential oils, or you can even just use one and put the drops of that oil into the hot water, and then you hang over it with your face or your head and put the towel over your head to cover yourself so that the steam cannot evaporate outside of that space. Make sure you don't make it too strong. So generally I would say like a bucket of 2 or 3 liters water. I use like 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. I think it's best to just test it out a little bit. My favorite essential oils for this are definitely wintergreen. And also I use eucalyptus, of course, which is a very popular essential oil for this purpose. And I combine it with tea tree. And it's also amazing to do this in a bathtub or a foot bath. Just make sure that you don't use too strong of a dosage, especially because you go inside the water with your skin, so it touches your skin directly. And even though it's a natural product, that doesn't mean that it cannot do any harm at all. So just be careful and test it out with a small dose first to see how you react. Try it out and build it up so that you're sure that you don't get any unwanted reactions. Another way that I really love to use essential oils is for DIY beauty products or household products. So I love to make some of the beauty products, skin and hair care products that I use myself, and also with just cleaning around the house, you can use essential oils, which I like. So some of the ways that I use that is actually when I'm making things like my own deodorant or a flaxseed gel for my hair or a body or face oil. And I find the ones that are best suitable for the purpose that I want to use them for by doing research online or just with the knowledge that I've had about essential oils generally and my experience with them. and then I try and incorporate them in whatever DIY product I am making. It's very important to know that whenever you use essential oils, that you dilute them, whether that you are using them in some type of DIY beauty product or you want to use them directly on your skin, make sure to dilute them. When I dilute the products and the oils, I use a carrier oil, and the best ones that I like are fractionated coconut oil, a sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, or for example grapeseed oil. The main reason I like to use them for the DIY products is because of their pleasant scent and aroma, of course, but also because they extend the shelf life of products and because they have a lot of different types of benefits depending on what type of essential oil you're using. So for example, tea tree oil is really great for your scalp and your hair, but can also be great for your skin. Like if you have unclear skin, tea tree oil can help to clear that up because it has antimicrobial properties, like it is antibacterial, and on your scalp it can help with clearing out any dandruff and just irritated skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, so I love tea tree oil for that purpose. And yeah, there are many other essential oils that I like to use. When using it for household products, you can use it, for example, for laundry and for cleaning. For laundry, you can basically pick your favorite aroma or essential oil and put a few drops in the washing drawer. You can put it where you put the laundry detergent, or you can just put it where you put the fabric softener. I think there's two different compartments. I wouldn't put it directly with the clothes because some essential oils can actually stain a little bit. So make sure that it is diluted with water before it touches your clothes. That also applies for hand washing. When you are doing a hand wash and you want to use a little bit of essential oil to give it a nice smell, then you can do that while adding it to the water and the washing powder or liquid that you're using before adding in the clothes. Just add everything that you're using for the wash, mix it together, and then add in the clothes. I made the mistake before that I had the clothes in and then put a few drops of essential oils on. And it was, I think, a mixture that had bergamot in it, which is quite dark in color, and it did stain that piece of clothing. I think probably there will be a way that you can wash it out, but it's just best to avoid it, I would say. And I think it's just a nice way to give your laundry a fresh smell without using any harsh chemicals. And then for the cleaning, you can use it for basically any cleaning product that you make yourself. I'm not sure about like adding it to store-bought cleaning products, but for example, if you want to make your own cleaning product like a glass spray or an all surface cleaner or a floor cleaner, there are some essential oils that are really great to use for that. My favorites are generally peppermint, tea tree, and lemon. Those are quite popular for DIY cleaning products, but of course you can try out whichever essential oils you like. And then one way to make your own cleaning spray, for example, is by combining water, white vinegar, and your favorite essential oil or oils. You just put a few drops in and then just try it out to see what you like with the scents and the different properties that the essential oils offer. Then another very useful way to use essential oils, I found at least, when I was traveling in a warm country where there were a lot of mosquitoes and flies, sand flies, and ants, I used essential oils as a repellent for insects, which is, I'm not sure if it's a waterproof way, but it definitely helped a lot. So there are some great essential oils to keep insects at bay. And the best ones that I found while using them were eucalyptus, lemongrass, and citronella. But there are different essential oils that also are great for this purpose, like for example lavender, which kind of surprised me because I thought that would attract insects as like bees are attracted to lavender, but apparently it can work for at least mosquitoes and ants and flies. So I'm gonna try that out sometime. And also peppermint and patchouli are great options. I'll definitely recommend trying it out. If you don't like to use harsh chemicals in sprays or creams, you can see if the essential oils with a carrier oil will work for you and if you like it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I would love to hear from you if you use essential oils, what your favorites are, and all of that. So please leave me a comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.